nail enamel and Flormar blush. I have recently discovered this Turkish based brand. They are selling very good cosmetics. This is my first purchase from the brand. I bought it from Nahid website. In today's video I will tell you quality points from their shades to texture to fragrance. So watch my video till
If you
the
liked
end.
my video, then give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel.
As you all know, I love coloring my nails and I just never knew that they are producing more than basic. It is a long lasting nail polish. I got shimmer nail polish, fancy as heaven. But no way, they produce great shimmer and they call it glitter. This should be a crime, but I forgive them because these shimmers are also holographic. These shimmers offer a unique and sparkling look. They are a great combination of price and quality, very pigmented and dry and pretty quickly even with the second coat on. Also they last from 3 to 7 days without any chipping. It has become my favorite in my collection of nail polishes. You can easily see the shade of nail polish. It is holographic silver. It has a normal applicator brush like other nail polishes. It comes in a round glass bottle with metallic pointed top. The applicator brush is wide and has a good amount of bristles. It eases the application, providing a smooth and even finish. It provides an even coverage and does not leave any chunks or lumps behind. The consistency is medium, but you can say perfect. It glides very well and has a shimmery finish. If you apply it with top coat, last for about 8 to 10 days. Two-step system is great, but I feel it is a bit expensive. I would like to wish to buy more nail paint from this brand as it delivers. So summing up, I will tell you some pros and cons. Pros ये हैं कि it is travel friendly, it is quick drying formula, well pigmented, it is easy to remove, it has very good applicator, good quality applicator, it glides very well, no chipping. Cons ये हैं कि when used alone doesn't last long as much as with top coat, a little bit expensive, and after drying on feels rough. It has chemical like smell like other nail paints have. It can be used alone or as a top coat on top of your favorite nail polish, or you can also apply double coat for intense color. Polish creates a fiery flaky look and even the bottle looks like a portion stolen from a fairy tale. Do you still remember how your school chalkboard feels like? Smooth but has just enough grain for the chalk to stick to. This is how I felt when I swiped my fingers on Flormar's Blush Shining Bronze. I currently own this shade, so let me give you a quick review and swatch. In the summertime, I love Shimmery Cheek. My favorite blushes for the summertime have shimmer. But what I love even more is all-in-one cheek product that warms up my complexion, shines like a highlight, but has enough color to work as a blush on me. Now, first of all, I would like to talk about its packaging. I don't like the packaging. The compact is nothing special. It's just a simple plastic. Is enclosed in it with a half mirror and brush inside. The brush included is rough and wastes a lot of product. I find the mirror too small to use. Its color is bronze and it pays of medium color. Fragrance, it provides nice normal other blushes. It has shiny radiant finishing. It provides nice sheer to cheeks. It is good for all skin type and add an extra touch of shine to your makeup look to use either as a blush or as a glowy bronzer. It is also completely soft to apply this product on your skin including eyes and lips. The formulation of this blush is fantastic thanks to its fine and soft texture. As you can see a swatch, it is a smooth velvety blush with pigmented coverage. It looks too pigmented on the swatch but it's absolutely buildable on the cheeks. It really gives you a nice glowy luminous cheeks I like the soft shimmery finish it gives, and it also has a mild smoothing effect helping blur obvious pores. Staying power is pretty good, but despite that it doesn't make skin look dry nor flaky. Its texture is compact powder and lightweight. However, poor application lead to a muddy face as it is a tan shade. Otherwise, the blush is really beautiful and will complement all skin tones. The blush stays for about 3 to 4 hours maximum on my face after the blush present is subtle and non-gritty. Let me tell you about its fragrance. Its fragrance is like other blushes, not so much chemical like, not so much high. In the end, besides the packaging and the staying power, I really like the blush. It provides the skin with a glowing healthy look. It is warm and it is shiny. I also shop these products from the brand website. The brand does not sponsor me. I strongly recommend this brand with my own free will. What do you think about this nail polish? Do you like it? Tell me about it so I can decide what I am going to purchase and review next. Thank you for stopping by. I will be posting one time in a week like I used to, so keep in touch if you got any questions, requests about product reviews. Ask me in comment box section.